So today we're working on this house. It's pretty big. Two living rooms, two bedrooms, and yeah, so on. We're gonna get to work. We're gonna install the carpet. Hopefully finish today. And I'll keep you guys updated on what work we do. There's a trash behind me. We're already cutting the carpet, as you can see. But yeah, this is a house. Pretty big house, 3-car garage. So yeah, I'm gonna be cutting the carpet right now. I'm probably not gonna show you guys when I install it because I'm probably not gonna show it. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it comes out when it's all installed and finished. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you guys updated. So this is the house we're doing right now. It's pretty big, but we're just doing the floor carpet. So but yeah, I got some tack strips because we need to put these. All done. Finished the house. We installed carpet. It took a pretty long time. I still can't believe how much work we just did. I'm a little tired. I'm a little wired.
All right, I'm a little tired, I'm a little wired, and I think I deserve a little appreciation.
This is how the job turned out. Wow. Oh, there's another room. Let's get that light on. There's another room right here. Like that ceiling. But yeah, we finished this room. That's upstairs. This is the living room. Closet. And another room we're about to finish. So, yep, we're getting there. We finally finished this huge house. We put carpet in the living rooms, the two bathrooms. I mean, not two bathrooms. The two why did I say bad? We put carpet in the two bedrooms, master bedrooms, the living room, and the big living room. So yeah, right now I'm just vacuuming this room right here because I got a vacuum. And then we'll be all done. This is a pretty big house and this is just the first floor. It took us like 10 hours, 10 to 12 hours just for the bottom. And then they still need to do the top and the stairs, but we're not doing that. They didn't want us to do that part. They wanted it for another day. But now we are officially done. So yeah, we finished the palace. I'm just kidding. Oh, it's a pretty big house. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. It's up to you. You guys let me know down below if you guys want to see more of these videos of me working. And if you do, I'll do them. But yeah, look at those stairs. They're pretty cool. Hard to install, but they're pretty cool. But yeah, let me know. I'm gonna conclude this video here, and until next time. Video of the house. This is the house we did. It's a big house.